Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. Earlier this week, Royal Tiger Imports announced that they have Thompson submachine gun parts kits available on their website. They have the M1A1 and the 1928 model. So if you're looking to restore a Thompson submachine gun, you can look on their website. They also announced in the release video that they have BARs, Browning 1919s, Browning M2s, 1917 models. Those are all going to come in as parts kits. Today I saw that they have listed the Browning 1919 parts kit. So what do these run? Well, right now the Browning 1919 is running for about $2,000. The Thompson 1928 is running for about $2,400, $2,500, and the Thompson M1A1 is running for around $1,500. Do you know how to restore these? Now that's another thing. So a few things to keep in mind here. Yes, the number one thing is why? Why do we have to destroy these just historical firearms? You know, well, it's the laws of the U.S. When they get imported in, they have to come in as parts kits. They can't be coming in as they are. Yuli did state himself that he loves history and he doesn't like these to be cut up these ways.
It hurts me too to cut up these pieces of history, but otherwise they would be not available to come into the country. And I know you guys, oh, you know, it's such a shame to cut up these good, beautiful guns. Yes, guys, it's a shame. I agree. I'm a collector and I'd rather have something here which is cut up and being able to touch and to feel and look at all the beautiful markings and have a piece in my collection than having basically nothing here.
But he said that's the only way to do it. So I guess that's how come they're coming in this way. So that's very sad, and I know a lot of you guys are hurt and you just feel the pain. You can just, in the video for the Thompson submachine guns, they showed the process of how it gets cut up so that it can be compliant with US regulations. So yeah, what you can expect is that these receivers are torch cut. 1/4 of an inch of material has been taken out of each cut, which really sucks. So and then the barrels also get disposed of in Ethiopia. So these are coming in with no barrels and a cut up receiver. What else can you expect? These were stored in the warehouses of Ethiopia, so they're not in the best condition, but they don't look that bad in their videos. They actually look pretty decent, salvageable. So what are your options here? Well, if you got a class 3 license, well, you could probably make it a class 3 submachine gun again. But a lot of people don't have that. So there's the next thing you could do is probably get a barrel for them. Now Royal Tiger Imports did state that they will be selling barrels for the Thompsons. I'm pretty sure they're going to be like rifle length to be in compliance. So if you could probably register as a short-barreled rifle and get it built as a semi-automatic short-barreled rifle. Now the issue with that is that a lot of these bolts, if I research correctly, the firing pin is in the protruding position. So because these were fired with an open bolt, now they have to be modified a little bit so they can fire in the closed bolt position, which means that there have to be some modifications with the bolt itself. So there's that factor when you have to take in consideration when you're getting these built. And then, you know, the other option is, I guess you could just get a long rifle barrel for it, which kind of looks silly in my opinion on a Thompson. You can just have it as a Thompson semi-auto rifle. Now on the Browning 1919 parts kits, they had to remove the side plate and remove the barrel. So these kits, actually, the kit that they showed in the video doesn't look that bad at all. And you know, if you're a reenactor, I could see where you could use this, or you can use it and get it to like maybe shoot blanks for reenacting purposes, or you can actually just build it to be a semi-auto Browning 1919 and use it for reenacting with a blank firing adapter. Now, if you're going to have them rebuilt, you can do them yourself, which you're going to have to do a lot of research and get all the milling equipment and, you're gonna have to do a lot of work. I took a poll on Instagram. Like, one guy said he did it himself, a lot of work, but he did it himself. So one other guy said it's too much money for all the work that you would have to do. And then one of my other friends said, hey, the guys at Wilshire Gun in Oklahoma City, they do these builds. So that's an option for you guys. Well, that's it for the video. I just wanted to let you guys know that they do have these parts kits at Royal Tiger Imports. I've linked their videos in the description about these parts kits. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think it would be worth it to restore these, to build these historic firearms? I mean, where else do you think you can get them rebuilt at? I do think that parts kits are going to be a huge part of the future of military surplus. And if you do get one, just let me know in the comments section what you think about it. With that being said, don't forget to share this video with your compadres, especially those that would be interested in these parts kits. And as always, be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.